Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our Honda Fit, and we're going to talk how you would get the door panel removed. So first you're going to open the door, and we've got our door panel right here to be removed. Number one, we've got a screw right here to remove. There's nothing covering it. That aside. And then there's a screw behind this, and this cover has some little tabs on it. There's 3 tabs, one here, 1, 2, and 3. There will be in a photo. But if you just push those in and kind of pull out on it a little bit, the whole thing will just come right off, and then you just pull it off, and then you've got a little bit of a tab here that puts in there, so when you put it back on, you're going to put it there and then clamp it down. So you just take that off, put that aside, and then we got one more screw right in here. All the screws removed, then you would work around with your non-marring tool and pop all the clips off. Way around, and once those are all popped off, you're going to want to undo these electrics also for the switch to raise and lower the window. Just push the tab in. Pull the door out a little bit. So once you got it up and out like that, then back here you got to release the twist the side. There you go. Just twist this, and you can be able to pull the whole door off, and that's how you would remove your door panel to be able to get inside here to do the window regulator or anything else inside that needs to be fixed. So we've got our door panel. We're going to want to route this through here. Just to get it on that side, and then there, and then just put the lip. This top lip goes down in the channel. It's good if you have the window all the way down to do this. And then once that's all there, everything's lined up, you can work your way around and push all the push pins together. Right. With all the push pins pushed together, we've got 2 screws to put back in. We've got one that's right here. And we've got one that goes up here. When it's on and in place, you've got to kind of push the handle backward. You want to make sure you push it in and push it backwards, because there's little plastic tabs that hold it back there and assist it. And then you tighten that up. And then we've got our little cover piece to snap on here. So you just take this, make sure you take this tab right here and put it down through the back here, and then you can just work your way up. Squeeze it all together, and that's how you install your door panel, reinstall your door panel on your Honda Fit after you've done all the work inside it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.